Hope TV News Watch on this 27th day of March 2026. A very good evening to you wherever you're watching us from, and welcome to the broadcast. My name is Kennedy Kimani, and Boniface Mureithi is our sign language interpreter. Now, the ODM party has officially entered a new era in a high-stakes special delegates convention held at Nairobi's Jamhuri grounds. The party formally ratified Senator Dr. Oburu Oginga as its leader. The move comes months after the passing of the long-serving party chief, Oburu's brother, Raila Odinga. However, the transition was not without its casualties, as internal rifts saw Godfrey Osotsi dropped from the lineup. Our reporter Vincent Kerosi begins our bulletin with the following report.
Exuding a show of might, the Sea of Orange at Jamhuri grounds in Kibra today ratified the decision of ODM's National Governing Council.
Sasa Daktari Oburu Oginga Odinga.
The delegates upheld the choice of Dr. Oburu Oginga as the man to lead the party through the high-stakes 2027 election cycle. The 83-year-old veteran will be flanked by Mombasa Governor Abdulswamad Nasir and his Kisii counterpart Simbarati, both of whom were ratified as deputy party leaders. However, Vihiga Senator Godfrey Osotsi was not as fortunate. Osotsi, who aligns himself with the Linda Mwananchi faction, was absent from the convention and was effectively dropped from the party leadership after failing to secure a proposer or a seconder for his seat.
All the negotiations by Kenyans were done, and one of the first principles of our party was a parliamentary system of government. The second one was devolution. And these were the two cardinal principles of negotiations of our party. And if you people remember, the Honorable Odhiambo Mbai, who was a professor at the University of Nairobi and a specialist in devolution, was killed in the process.
Surprisingly, in his acceptance speech, Oburu Oginga reiterated that ODM will not expel members who disagree with the party decisions. He maintained that the party is anchored on democratic principles and structures dialogue.
One of the youngest people that stands on this stage.
This comes even as Raila's daughter, Win Odinga, attended the convention despite her ties to the distant wing, urging officials to adopt a more accommodating stance.
The ayes have it. Abdulswamad is the deputy party leader for ODM.
The conclusion of this special NDC now sets the stage for ODM to pursue its 2027 objectives, including a strategic working alliance with the United Democratic Alliance UDA, even as the internal tug of war with the Linda Mwananchi camp continues. Vincent Kerosi, Hope TV, Nairobi.